Hello children, welcome back to the grammar classes. Today the main fragment of grammar we are going to learn, that is article or articles. How many articles do we have in English? 3, right? We have 3 articles and we have 3 rules in this articles. Rule 1, rule 2 and rule 3. In this rule 1, first let me categorize the articles. Indefinite article and definite article. A or an belong to indefinite and the belongs to definite. A is an unspecific object used with consonants. Yeah, children. This is one indefinite article which is used with consonants. You know which are the consonants. A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. Remaining B, C, D, etc. till Z. Except this vowels, the remaining alphabets are consonants. And A is used with consonants. Fine. And A means one, single. Next, there is one exception to use this A. That exception is here. Let me read out this syllables. Just follow that. U. Okay. It is completely U. U means Y, U. U. E, U. U. Then Y, O, U. U. Though this sound as vowels, the sound which particularly comes with this alphabets, like university, okay, university, that kind of alphabets start with this A itself. Means that kind of words I mean to tell. Here some examples are there. A university, a European city, a unicorn. Fine. Here we are using this A though it is starting with a vowel. Fine. Though it is starting with vowel A, E, I, O, U. See, it is not the particular usage of the sounds of vowels, but it has its own sound. U. University. Okay. So, this is one exception. Okay, exception means which we use out of rule. An unspecific object used with A, E, I, O, U. That is indefinite article again. This is used with our vowels. Now, alphabet A to Z. That is consonants. Fine. Consonants we use this, and here vowels we keep it aside. This is the set of alphabets which are divided into 2 groups. Now, exception. We use an before the words with a silent H. Fine. Like honest is there. Do we ever pronounce it as honest? Never. We should never do also. H is silent. See, I am not pronouncing it as H. It is EH. 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 Fine. So it becomes, and in some words, H is completely silent. In honest, H we remove it and read as honest. So, we use an honest student, an house, an hour. So, many times we should be very careful to use this an where H is silent in some of the words. The, a specific object that both the speaker and listener know. Fine. When we are speaking about the parliament, we know that everybody knows about the parliament. Fine. So we use definite article. Now let us learn what is rule 1. See, we have learnt one exception. The alphabets means the words which begin with U, fine, then EU and YOU, we use indefinite article. Now let us see what happens here. Indefinite article, a previously unknown noun that is being introduced into a dialogue or story. Definite article, a noun that has already been introduced. Yeah. Here rule 1 is quite very clear. When we introduce a noun, we present it with a, okay, indefinite article in first sentence, followed by when that same noun is already known to you, it takes the definite article the. The. Example I'll tell you. You will understand and you can relate the explanation I have given now. Can you spot the articles? The question is quite very clear. I saw a cat. What did I see? I saw a cat. Fine. I saw a cat. The cat was sitting on a fence. See children here. I saw a cat. What did I see? A cat. Fine. It was a cat. When it was introduced, it was any cat. One cat you saw. That same cat, the cat was sitting on a fence. See, the noun second time took the article because now you are definite about that first means noun, cat, which was a, indefinite. Now, when we are talking about that same cat, we take the particular, that is definite article with the cat. Okay, that is noun. The fence was, see, here again, the cat was sitting on a fence. Okay, a fence. This noun, which is in object place, took indefinite article a. Now, in next sentence, the fence was painted brown. As we are talking about that same fence, particularly, it took definite article. Okay. The cat, see, again it took the. The cat jumped off the fence when it saw a mouse. The mouse ran into, see, a mouse changed to the mouse, into a hole when it saw the cat. So the cat didn't catch the mouse. First time when the nouns are used, it took indefinite article, and very next time when we used it repeated times, it took definite article. This is rule 1. Understood? Very easy. But you have to practice in your writing, which increases the weightage of your sentences and keeps your usage of article perfect. Then, same thing here is given. You read for your practice. Rule 2. When a noun is unique. Okay. When a noun is unique, use a definite article. Yes. When that the noun what we are using, for example, now I told you about parliament, right? We never say that a parliament. It is always the parliament, the president, the prime minister, because we are using particular unique nouns. Definite article. Only one of that object unique. Same thing. Here, the sun. Sun is unique. Is there another sun? No. The president. The Queen of England. Now, who is she? See, here we are talking about different, which are common and which are unique. Fine children, who is she, who is he? Unique is given for he and general ones are given for she here. So, with this general category, we take the indefinite article. With the unique category, we go for the. She is an accountant. She is a teacher. She is a member of parliament. He is the president of Korea. He is the CEO. He is the mayor. Unique nouns always take definite article. Normal or general nouns always take indefinite articles. This uniqueness can come by association. See, here one example is given. Association means for which we are giving the connectivity, means the main focus. It takes the article according to our association, how we associate with the situation. A car crashed into a tree. Fine. What did crash in the tree? A car. Means some car. One car. Okay. The driver was seriously injured. The driver of a car means that particular car got injured. Now, we could have rewritten this so that driver was not unique and the car was when it was introduced. Means they are making the situation inverse here. They are giving importance to the car, not to the driver. Understood children? Now we are taking Driver is a driver. Okay. A driver was seriously injured when the car he was driving crashed. Yeah. You can see that we are giving that unique place to the car. Fine. So one driver got injured, seriously injured, when that particular car was driving crashed. Fine. How we associate the nouns. How we get connected with the usage. Same way the articles play the role. Its importance can be noticed with the proper usage of proper usage of the articles when it is associated properly with the nouns and also the objects. Fine. Rule 3. When we are speaking of a noun in general, we usually leave the article out. Yeah. Sometimes we skip the usage of articles. When do we skip? If it is countable, use the plural noun. Let me tell you. So, for example, here we use an article, definite or indefinite, with some countable and uncountable nouns. How? When we are talking about an actual cookie or cookies that really exist or existed, means which we ate. Let me see. In the following examples, we are speaking of specific actual real cookies. Okay. So be very careful. We are not talking in assumption. We are talking about particular which existed. That is actual. I ate a cookie means you ate one cookie, single cookie. The cookie was delicious means a cookie what you ate. Now it is one particular cookie. So it became the cookie. Fine. I read the paragraph of cat. You remember, a cat became the cat. Same here. A cookie became the cookie. The cookies are on the table. And the kind of cookies what you ate already, same cookies, means same variety of cookies are on the table. Now, when we also make use of general statement about cookies, we leave the article out. I like cookies. I like a cookie, we never tell. Okay, I like cookies. My favorite are cookies. Okay, we never are the cookies, we never tell. It may be any category or any flavor cookies, right? Now, I enjoy making cookies. It may be any kind of cookies. I never eat cookies at night. Yeah. You never eat any kind of cookies. It means, okay. Now, the meaning will be different in each case. I like cookies. I like the cookies. See children, I like cookies means here a general statement concerning cookies. Now itself I explained. Here we are not talking about any particular cookie. In case if we are using the, then you are specific about your choice. Maybe it is I like the cookies. It may be of particular vanilla flavor or strawberry flavor. Fine. Now, cookies are bad for your health. Any cookie is bad for health. It means that, okay. Now, cookies is countable and therefore put into the plural. Pizza is bad for your health. Pizza is uncountable. It may be any pizza, right? Throughout the world or any corner of the world, pizza is available. All pizza is bad for your health. Okay. Now, do's and don'ts by that is when we are using the articles, what we should do and what we should not do. Do's. Use an article with bodies of water, oceans and seas. Fine. We should use an article. My country borders are on the Pacific Ocean. See, the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arabic Ocean. Fine children. Now, we use a or an before 100,000 and million. That is your countable numbers. Fine. It means that ordinals and cardinals here. I have 100 fishes at home. Yeah, we can tell 100. Andre 100 means 100. 100. Now, we use a or an to refer to jobs or occupations. I recently changed to a teaching job. Okay, a teaching job. It may be a teaching job in primary section, high school section, college or engineering college. You changed your profession from some other job to a teaching job. Fine. Now, don'ts. What we should not do. See, do not use an article with countries. We never tell I live in an India. No, we live in India. That's it. Not an India. When I tried to use itself, my sentence was going in other way because it is not correct. We should not use. Yeah, an American president. No, American president. That's it. Clear? The Washington. No, I live in the Washington. No, I visited the Singapore. No, I visited Singapore. We should not use any article. Clear, children? Okay. I visited the Chitradurga fort. No, I visited Chitradurga fort. That's it. Okay. Except when the country is a collection of states such as the United States. Yeah. When we are using about the collection of the countries, then it is mentioned for that group because it represents particular collection of the countries, nothing else. When we are using individually about, when we are talking about a country, we should never use any article with that. Clear? Now, do not use an article when you are speaking about things in general. She likes reading the books. No, she likes reading books. He likes writing articles. The articles, no. He likes writing articles. Clear? The articles means particular kind of articles. Okay. He likes writing the childhood articles. We are mentioning the category. Then you use it. Otherwise, no. Okay. He likes swimming. We never tell he likes the swimming. It will be wrong. Now, do not use an article when you are speaking about meals, places and transport. He comes to work by taxi. He travels by bus. Okay, not by the bus. We are not talking about one bus. Any bus. He travels by bus. Okay, he takes his own vehicle to go to office. He takes his own the vehicle, we never tell. Fine, children? Then, when we are using this article, we should be very particular. Please practice it. Okay. Thank you.